It is time to become fluent in English. Did you know that more than 93% of students who are improving their English want to be fluent? That's the only thing they want. It's not grammar, it's not new words, it's not new books. It's about being fluent. But how? You study and study and study. You learn a lot and you're great on paper. But when it comes to speaking, you have a lot of you forget words, and well, you're not fluent. But what do you really need to speak English fluently? It's not that difficult. You need two things. First, you need a strong foundation in English. Well, what's a strong foundation? Grammar and vocabulary. I know a lot of you are tired of reading grammar books or learning words, but you need to understand that without these two as the foundation of English, you will never be able to speak fluently. What do I mean? Let me exemplify. Imagine a building. You want to construct a building. Now, to do this, what do we need? I'm simplifying it. To build a building, you need bricks. You also need to know how to lay the bricks. So in my simplified example, you need two things to construct the building: bricks and how to lay the bricks. Now, that building is speaking fluently. Bricks are vocabulary, the words that you've learned, and knowing how to lay the bricks, that's grammar, structure of sentences. If I don't have the bricks and if I don't know how to lay the bricks, can I build that building that I want? No. So if I don't have the necessary elements, I will never be able to speak fluently. And the necessary elements are grammar and vocabulary. But teacher, I've studied grammar a lot and I've learned a lot of words, but I'm still not fluent. Let's go back to the example of the building. If I have the bricks and if I know on paper how to lay the bricks, and it's my first time building an apartment, will I be successful and can I do it alone? Of course not. Why not? Because I have never practiced in real life. On paper, I may be able to draw a very beautiful building, but when I really want to do it, I won't be able to because this is my first time. I've never done it before. What are you talking about? Why am I talking about buildings again? Oh yeah, because I wanted to get here. That building is your ability to speak English fluently. You have the bricks, you know how to lay the bricks, that is grammar and vocabulary. Now it is time to practice. I told you that you need two things to be fluent. One, the foundation, grammar and vocabulary, the bricks and knowing how to lay them. And two, practice, practice and practice. Lots of speaking practice. I'm not talking about more grammar activities or more vocabulary exercises. No. I'm talking about real speaking practice. How can I do that? Well, you certainly cannot learn how to speak by watching a video on YouTube. You certainly cannot learn how to speak by reading a book. You cannot learn how to speak by studying grammar or reading vocabulary books or memorizing new words. You cannot do that. The only way to improve your speaking is, well, first you improve your grammar and vocabulary, but then you practice speaking English with other people. Well, it's 2025, so you can also use AI. You can talk to ChatGPT. That's very beneficial. I'm not against it. I'm just saying you need to speak. And it's better to speak to real people. As you speak, you will have mistakes. You will hear other people make the same mistakes too. But then your teacher or technology, AI, will give you feedback. And that feedback will help you improve. Again, let's summarize. If you want to speak English fluently, you need two things only. Only two things. One, strong foundation, grammar and vocabulary. Remember, bricks and knowing how to lay the bricks. Two, you need speaking practice. Whether it's a one-to-one speaking session or you're speaking with other students or you're speaking with your neighbors or you're talking to yourself or you're talking to ChatGPT, you need speaking practice. And that is exactly what we do in POC English Academy. Now, what do I mean? Well, in POC English Academy, if you become a member, we have a lot of different lessons on grammar and vocabulary. Everything is topic-based. So everything you learn will be active in your brain. You will learn topic, vocabulary, and grammar. So you can create links and connections between vocabulary and grammar in your head. That is the strong foundation. We offer you a lot of different video lessons, a lot of different questions, quizzes, exercises, and AI tools to help you improve your grammar and vocabulary. But what about speaking practice? That is our main focus at POC English. We offer daily live lessons. Daily. That is every single day. Once you become a member of the Academy, every day you will have a live speaking session on Zoom where you can meet your teacher, you can see other students, and you can speak with other students. That is how you improve your speaking. So daily live lessons every single day. That's one. Two, you will become a member of a student community where there are other students from all around the world. It's a very international and diverse community with more than 1,000 students. All of them are students of POC English. You can connect with them. You can arrange meetings with each other. This is very important. In your free time, you can say, hey, guys, let's go and talk. Everyone who's online can join you. You can create a room and you can go and speak with each other in English. You can make international friends and you can find study partners. That's another way we help you speak English. Is that all? No, we also offer AI tools. If it's late and there are no classes now and the student community, well, everybody's asleep, but you want to practice speaking, you have your 24/7 AI teacher and you can talk to our AI model who will listen to you, will ask you questions and interact with you, and will give you immediate feedback on your mistakes and how to improve them. And that is everything you need in order to become fluent. What if I have any questions? You can ask me. You have 24/7 teacher support. Once you become a member of POC English Academy, you have everything you need to speak English fluently. And I guarantee that by joining, you can see results in your fluency in as little as 90 days. This is my guarantee to you guys. And this is not something I say. This is something that all of the students of our academy are saying. They have joined, they practiced with our method, and after 90 days, bam, they're fluent. They can see that they can speak and communicate effortlessly. Now, for those of you who have watched this video until now, I want to tell you something. For the next 5 days only, you can join POC English Academy with a 50% discount. This offer is our summer sale, and it's only available for the next 5 days. 5 days, 50% discount. And this is your chance to become fluent by the end of 2025. Take a serious step towards your fluency. I know you've been trying to become fluent for a long time, so I want to tell you that this is your chance. So go ahead, click on the link above my head, and on my website, you can learn more about the Academy, what we offer, and you can register using our 50% discount. If you have any other questions whatsoever, let me know in the comments sections of this video. I will try to read all of your questions and I'll make sure that I can answer every single one of them to help you learn and improve your English. Hope to see you soon. Bye.